David, one of the biggest questions that come across is how much insurance should I get, whether it's healthcare, whether it's auto, whether it's your home. Is there a way of figuring this out, for example, with your home?
Well, sure. You know, insurance is covering two things. On the one hand, it's protecting your property. You don't want to lose your house. You don't want to lose your car if you get into an accident, that kind of thing. On the other hand, insurance is protecting your wealth. What are your assets and how much insurance do you need to protect those assets? So one way to do it, obviously, is by having the home insurance policy and making sure your policy limits the maximum amount the insurance company will pay, making sure those policy limits are high enough to really afford to both rebuild your house and reimburse you for all of your personal items that might have been destroyed in a fire or what have you. On the other hand, how much do you have in the bank? What other assets do you have? And how much additional insurance, liability insurance, do you need in case someone sues you and wins, so that that money, your own money, doesn't get tapped into?
Now, the way I see it, you could use an agent, you can call a company directly, or you can go on the internet. Which is the best of the three as far as getting insurance goes?
Very good question. I think the internet is great for getting quotes, for understanding what the numbers are, what kinds of things are out there. But you realize when you're going on the internet, it's like going into a car dealer and buying a car off the lot. If you know you want the minimum insurance, for example, in auto insurance, $30,000 a year total coverage, not very much. That's pretty standardized. You could probably get that off the internet. But when you want to tailor a policy for your specific needs, depending on where you live, what your assets are, etc., I highly recommend going to an agent, which means someone who represents one insurance company, or a broker, someone who can give you a range of options from a variety of insurers.